Studio Engiware, bringing institute to industry. It's a thought process to bring together institute and construction industry, particularly the structural designing field. Studio Engineer is a committed to promoting the next generation of structural engineers in the field of structural design and detailing. This mission is to ensure the safety and stability of building with optimizing construction cost and minimizing operation and maintenance expenses in the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence driven environment. Additionally, Engiware Studio aims to encourage the participation of women engineers in the professional practice of structural designing and detailing, recognizing the significant impact of engineering advancement with civilization, especially in the context of urbanization. Studio Engineer emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-upgradation to meet the demand of modern engineering challenges and contribute to building a better future, a safe and stable building stocks for India. The concept was initialized by the chief mentor, Engineer Kamal Parekh, and was guided by Hansa Parekh and has taken care of by Engineer Shachi Mehta. With the reference mobile numbers and with the email, one can contact, can inquire about the course manual as well as the procedures to follow. Studio Engineer is a recent venture led by Engineer Sachi Mehta, a dynamic structural professional and academician with over 7 years of experience in the structural engineering field. The initiative operates under the umbrella of Sri Surgeon Technocrat Private Limited, a renowned one-point solution provider company presided over by Engineer Kamal Parekh and Engineer Hansa Parekh, a principal structure designer with remarkable track record spanning over 3 decades. And Engineer Sachi Mehta shared a collective vision to bridge the gap between the institute and industry. This course was meant for the students, the final year students of BE Civil Structural Designing, or for the MTech students, those who are interested or having an inclination for structural design. The name Engiware itself is a fusion of engineering and software, symbolizing their commitment to educating the interactive world of engineering software tools. Engiware Studio is dedicated to empowering individuals with analogy of the structural analytical tool, a software understanding language of software to ensure precise input that ascertain accurate and desired analytical outputs. Studio Engineer recognizes the evolving landscape of engineering in today's artificial intelligence driven environment. With the rapid urbanization of society, they understand that this transformation necessitates multidimensional consideration in the engineering field to minimize margins of error. To navigate this multifunctional landscape, Engiware Studio emphasizes hands-on facilities with diverse software tools. Additionally, they highlight the vital role of interpreting and implementing the Bureau of Indian Standards Codal Practice 456 to 1893 to 875 to 13920 standard in the burgeoning infrastructure sector. Studio Engineer vision is to seamlessly integrate the standards with digitization, documentation, and harnessing software solutions to address complex engineering challenges effectively. The chief mentor, Engineer Kamal Parekh, Professionally, a structural designer and project manager, having expertise with repair, rehabilitation, and retrofitting, with RCC and steel structures, having expertise with debottlenecking jobs. He is a panel consultant of Surat Municipal Corporation since 2001. Gujarat State Police Housing Corporation, a government of Gujarat undertaking. Kamal Parekh is a panel structural consultant. For the project implementation unit, which is a government of Gujarat enterprise under the Commissionerate of Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, as well as they are consultant for the Reliance Industries Jamnagar refinery plant. Dedication and commitment with passion for structures has compelled engineer Kamal Parekh from the days of alpha metals. In final years of civil engineering, has developed a software for lateral load analysis for the wind load. Its impact and influences on structures having different aspect ratio as per BIDAS Codal Provision 875 1984, which was prevailing during those era. On software language basic only available and known to him, though Fortran 4 also a language for mathematical model in the era of 80s. Kamal Parekh has developed a software for the lateral load analysis considering the wind load during his final year of project work. As a professional, has developed a in-house skill and SOP for building, modeling, analysis, and detailing, adhering to BIS codal provisions to execute on site. A feature-friendly details he calls. In his career, first Infotech Tower for InfoCity Gandhinagar and TTIRF Wagad Welfare Hospital at Bachau, designed by him after 2001 earthquake, which was funded by Times of India Group. Besides this, Sanjeev Kumar Auditorium for Surat Municipal Corporation with curvy linear entrance 3D elements designed by him. For project implementation unit, he is a principal structural designer since 2006 and a peer review consultant for Gujarat Medical Education Research Society, Medical Colleges of Valsad, Vadnagar and Structural Design at Civil Hospital Campus, Medical College Surat, SSG Hospital Vadodara, Dharampur, Vansda, Rajpipla and many more in all over Gujarat are functionally working with till date with no structural distress due to his quality assurance and quality control implementation. During the pandemic of COVID-19, Government of Gujarat has assigned a task to fulfill within a time frame to generate COVID-19 treatment facilities for South Gujarat in Civil Hospital Campus, Bajoraghat, Surat, of around 1800 beds with uninterrupted high flow oxygen supply with allied all facilities for pro-morbid patients, and engineer Kamal Parekh has generated within a time frame of 60 days a working COVID hospitals as a principal planner, designer, project manager, as well as project coordinator with medical authorities as well as Government of Gujarat authorities, RNB and PIU for execution, and handed over for the poorest of poor and the society as a whole. And still today, functionally, it works for medicine and gynec department for medical college and hospitals, Surat. Studio Engineer is a software developing company. For the Studio Engiware, Kamal Parekh has acted throughout his career as professional academician, which has led him to take keen interest in research and development and academia. Now at this stage of his life and professional career, he wants to contribute for the next generation of structural engineers to make structures by next generation safe and stable. Studio engineer Engiware guided by engineer Hansa Parekh, a technical director for Surgeon Technocrat Private Limited. Engineer Hansa Parekh is practicing structural designer having experience of 34 years. She did her bachelor's in civil engineering for Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology in the era of 1989. She is a master of planning for hospital buildings, specifically operation theatre plannings. She has expertise in ductile detailing and engineering of execution drawings that we call as good for construction drawings. With a common engineering basics, she has developed in-house detail and drawing strategy. With her amazing planning technique, Office capable to do work in a synchronized and systematic way because of her dedication and commitment towards her work inspired all the women to be in the man-dominated world of civil structural engineering. Her dynamic personality creates a friendly environment at our work temple. The mentor, Engineer Sachi Mehta. She is the design director of Cicergon Technocrats Private Limited. As a practicing structural designer for Surat, from Surat. Majorly, she is working with Government of Gujarat as a principal consultant as well as proof check consultant. She has completed her master's in structural engineering with research in seismic isolation system for cable stayed bridges. She has served as a lecturer for the years in Charosset University. She has completed a course of earthquake engineering, advanced structural analysis, and special topics in civil engineering with IIT Gandhinagar. Her keen interest is to understand the behavior of structure under different load cases and the different load combinations. She is fascinated for non-linear behavior of structure. Being a young budding engineer, her aim to provide safe and stable, sustainable habitat for the mankind. Thank you very much. This is the basic introduction of Studio Engiware. Anybody can send an email or can contact Engineer Sachi Mehta on his mobile number 9723194664 or can send an email to studioengiware@gmail.com. Thank you.